Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? In this video I will give you, my friend, the more information about Dent coin, my brothers, to upcoming time. Can Dent coin will give you a profit or not, my brother? We will predicate this coin, my brother, so kindly must watch this video because this is very important if you have any plan to invest more in August. So must watch this video, my brother. First of all, we need, my brothers, to predicate this coin. So let's see, my brother, but kindly please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos, my brother. My prediction is very simple now, and that's clear, my brother. You can see here the coin will moving upward now, so this is very good news, my brother, for all of you. Now you can see here 1.2% level profit now, and especially just only from last 24 hours now. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time the price will also moving in upward direction and they will give you a profit now. But just in all the, my friends, you need to hold now. If you starting selling, so they will fail us down, they cannot give you a profit. So please be honest, my brother, hold it and don't sell it. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more this urgent and updates videos.